Cascadero Escondido. $47? A tarantula! Why, that's not a tarantula. It's... By Gosper. There. That should do it. Game! Right on target. I can't understand what a nice elephant like you is doing in a place like this. Hey! Come back here!
What do you want?
I will now saw a cat in you, sir.
Who? Me?
Yes, you. Just. Where's our next booking, Second Banana?
Peoria?
Ah, yes, lovely place. Peoria, here we come.
I'm Peoria. Here I come.
In that case, we open in Hoboken. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen.
Boo! Boo! Boo!
Applause, you nincompoop. Applause.
Look,
Well, what do you know? Wrong saw. My apologies, sir.
Now, you scoundrel! This is the end of the chase, cool cat. Have you any last requests? As a matter of fact, I have. Get off my chariot. Torpedo off the starboard bow! Abandon ship! Abandon ship! Blast it! No! Sure, I've lost that old house. Perchance they've seen the blighter. Like who's there? Have you seen a Hold still, you scoundrel! Give up before I lose my temper! Tally-ho! Don't let him get away!
Go. Hey, this is kind of like running in water. One leg, just swim.
Come on, let's go.
Yeah! All right! Look at that! It's all good.
What is this?